Now you will need to gather supplies. When I say go, girls will go gather their supplies first, then the boys. With these supplies, you will need to build a bridge on your own that can connect two desks that are 4 inches apart. You will probably want to build your bridge at least 5 inches wide to connect the two desks. The supplies that you will need is 20 straws, 2 12-inch strips of masking tape, 4 paper clips, 12-inch thread, scissors, and a ruler. You will have 10 minutes to construct your bridge. After 10 minutes, we will check to see if your bridge can hold up the weight of quarters. Now set a timer for 10 minutes and pause this video. When the timer goes off, continue to the next video.